Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You want to use your beautiful Canva email templates directly in Outlook. Here's the easiest way to make that happen. First, design your email template exactly as you want it within Canva. Make sure all your text, images, and branding elements are perfect. Once your design is complete, you'll need to export it. For a seamless look in Outlook, the best approach is to download your entire email design from Canva as a high-quality image file. Choose either JPG or PNG. Ensure the image dimensions are suitable for email viewing, not too wide, so it displays well on various screens. After downloading, open your Outlook application. Start a new email message. Click inside the body of your new email. Now, navigate to the Inserts tab in the Outlook ribbon. Select Pictures, and then this device. Browse to find the image file you just downloaded from Canva. Select it and click Insert. Your entire Canva email design will now appear as a single image within your Outlook email. You can then add your subject line and recipients. This method keeps your design intact and ensures consistent formatting across different email clients, making your email look professional. For adding clickable links, you can usually right-click the inserted image in Outlook and select Link to add a hyperlink over the entire image. This is ideal for calls to action. Alternatively, you can copy individual text blocks and images directly from your Canva design and paste them into Outlook. However, this method can sometimes alter formatting, requiring minor adjustments within Outlook itself to match your original vision. The image insertion method is generally more reliable for maintaining your original Canva design integrity and visual appeal.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.